Welcome back, my friends. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Hope you're all doing well. One of the questions I get about owning a Tacoma that's built the way that I have built mine out for overlanding and camping and stuff like that is, how do I wash it with all the stuff on top? Well, in this video, it's your lucky day. We're actually going to be washing the Tacoma, and I'll just bring you along. Pretty straightforward stuff. Let's get into it. All right, well, before we do any sort of washing of the exterior, always start with the interior. So we're going to get the vacuum going, get the front and back vacuumed out, make sure you kind of get most of your pockets ready for it, so that way it's nice and quick. You're not wasting time and your money on the vacuum. Well, my friends, that's basically how I end up washing my Tacoma with all of the gear that I have on it. It is pretty clean right now. My truck is kind of a daily driver and it kind of sits outside most of the time, so I don't go super detailed when I'm washing my Tacoma. So there are some tricky spots along the bed rack, the roof rack, and having the Roam cases up on top that can be a little tricky when trying to wash it. And one thing that I'll probably take into consideration later on down the line is removing the Roam boxes when I need to do like a deeper clean. Because I have noticed that without being able to get access to the roof, it is going to collect a lot of junk and debris and stuff like that. Even though I can take the pressure washer and kind of spray up underneath here, it's not going to clean it off completely. So keep that in mind. I typically let it air dry after I do the spot-free rinse, and it actually holds up pretty well. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. If there is a product that you'd like me to kind of try out, I have tried out a couple. One that was a wheel cleaner. I do have some Chemical Guys glass cleaner as well. Plus I think I've also done one for an interior cleaner from Chemical Guys. But if there's something that you guys want me to try out, I'm happy to kind of take a look at it. Just leave it down in the comment section below. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this little video here. Didn't want to take up too much time. It is a pretty standard car wash video. Everybody's going to do something a little bit different, so this is just kind of how I do mine. But anyway, thank you so much for joining me. Be sure to leave a like, comment, subscription. I greatly appreciate you guys, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.